Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm back with Gents, but today we're not like fishing again, but we are sort of, because in there we're doing a catch and cook on massive crayfish. So we just caught one there. We got it at the little river just as we walked in next to it. Well, I have been fishing recently, but I forgot to film it because the weather was terrible, so it wouldn't be good. But I did manage to catch my new PB. I caught a 17 pound carp from Monk's Lakes, so I'll put that on the screen right now. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a couple more crayfish, maybe your trout, and hopefully we get a good catch and cook. Guys, so we've just stopped off at this little river here to see if there's any crayfish. There's loads of like old jam pots that have been chucked in, and there's got to be some crayfish in them. We just stopped off at another river just up the road from here, and we tried to catch a couple of trout. We got bites, but they weren't too big, so once they had a couple of nibbles of the spam that we put in, they were done. So we're going to go back there later after we've had a look at the pot, so hopefully we get some stuff in the pots that we can cook up and show you. So we've just searched about 3 jars at this little spot. We've already got a crayfish. It's a lot smaller than the other one, but it's crayfish number 2. We're looking for about 4 or 5 to have a decent catch or cook, but we're getting the crayfish and we've got a lot more pots to search, so hopefully we can get a few more to show you. That's just another little crayfish. So Jens has just found a good pot. It looks like there's one in there because of the location. It was literally about, what, there? Just behind me there. So we're going to open it and hopefully we got one. There we go.
Nice.
Gents had the crayfish.
So that's 3 for the pot now. And hopefully we'll get a couple more.
There it is. That is 3 crayfish.
There's one in there. There's a little antenna sticking up just down where I caught this other one. So we're about to open it again and see how big.
Hopefully there's a crayfish in there. Alright, so yet again, just down there the river, another little crayfish. Probably the smallest one of the day, but it's going to taste nice. It's got quite a lot of meat on its claws. So get this in the bag. Right, so I don't know if you can see it, but me and Gents have just got down to this second spot. I'll just get down a bit closer. Just about to get in. Look what we found. It's a proper crayfish trap. It's in a load of weed and snags, but we don't know if there's crayfish in it, but hopefully there is because it is a nice crayfish trap. So we'll get it out, see if there's anything in it, and we'll get back to you. Right, so unfortunately, as you can see, no crayfish in it, but it don't really matter. We've got a big one there, loads in the bag Jensen's got, but claimed ourselves a crayfish trap as well, which is good because we can use that down here. But we're just going to check more pots because, as you can see, it's quite a wide stretch this bit, so hopefully we can get a couple more. If not, it don't really matter. We've got loads already. We've got enough for a nice meal. Bit of salt on it, it's going to be nice. So reason I got my jumper off, we had to use it as a net because there's another pretty decent sized crayfish in here. Bit smaller than the first one we had. You saw the one in the Coke bottle. But yeah, it's a nice size, so I'll get it out now and show you. Gents caught it with the rod. Just put a bit of spam in front of it. It grabbed onto it, so we just lifted it into this. So I'll show you it now. There it is. As you can see, it is another very nice sized crayfish. It took a while to take it, but we got it. It is a lively one. But, yep, it's trying to grab me. Right, so we get this one in the bag and then we'll probably go back to the trout place. So we're done catching all the crayfish. We ended up with about 10 or a bit less, but we got a couple more big ones. Gents has obviously got that crayfish trap, so we might come back tomorrow and put that in. But if not, we're just going to head back to Jensen's now, cook them all up, and we'll show you like how to prepare them and that, and give them a taste. So yeah, that's pretty much the end. It's not quite the end, but we'll see you back at Jensen's. Alright, so we're back at Jensen's now. We just got them in some cold water. We've got about 10. We're just boiling up water now to put them in. As you can see, that is big.
No, they swung around in the water.
All the 3 big ones there, all cooked already. We got the rest in there boiling. So they're all the cooked crayfish. Got them in size order. They're all ready to eat. So we're gonna eat them now and see how they taste. So I just got a nice bit of tail meat off one of them. Look at that. There's so much. It tastes so nice. Oh, I just got a bit of salt and pepper on this bit of tail meat. Alright, let's see how it tastes now.
How many did you get?
Alright, so
That is
1,
nice.
2, 3, 4.
Alright, we're finished with the crayfish. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going sea fishing tomorrow, me and gents. Hopefully get some mackerel. So there'll probably be a video out tomorrow as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.